welcome to Valley Soaps YouTube channel. I am Brittany. Today we are here to open a box of supplies. I cannot wait to do this. We have some essential oils coming in and we have some utility soaps to make. Next up on our to-do list. So this order I placed with an individual. She has a Facebook group that she sells soap supplies out of. So this package wasn't really meant to arrive until Friday, which is 2 days from now. So it arrived 2 days early. So that's always exciting. Oh, it says keep this coupon. She might do some kind of thing in her group. Okay. I will keep those little tickets. Okay. I love how she packaged everything. Everything is all snug and getting to the right place in the right way. Let me get my knife back. So some of the soaps I'll be making is one for like gardeners, one for mechanics, and that type of thing. I've been getting a lot of requests for utility soaps. So we're gonna work on perfecting that recipe for this thing. Patchouli essential oil. Okay. I'm so sorry about the happy baby in the background. He is blabbing away. Oh my goodness. I figured now was the best time to do this. Kyle was out in the yard mowing the grass. And baby's happy, and the oldest kiddo is on his tablet, so now is the best time to record. So we have some lemongrass. Uh-oh. There he goes, fussing. Lemongrass essential oil, which is like my favorite, like my most favorite thing to smell. I love lemongrass. Here's some more tea tree. We ran out of what we had. I was doing a tea tree and charcoal soap. And I think I still have some of that available as well. I am extremely pleased with how these were packaged. And the fact that it arrived 2 days early in comparison to what the post office expected, like their expected delivery date. Lavender essential oil. And then we have some cedarwood essential oil. I haven't smelled cedarwood essential oil before. I'm really excited about that. That'd be great to smell. We got two. Oh, looks like they just fall right out. I've got a pound of castor oil and a pound of sodium lactate. Some of my bars here lately they've still been very, very soft coming out of the mold. I'm not sure what the deal is with that, but I haven't used sodium lactate before, so I'm going to add that and try that in some of the batches. That way I can unmold the bar a little bit faster or sooner. And maybe the soaps won't be as soft. It doesn't speed up like the soap making process. As far as like it doesn't accelerate the batter, and it doesn't make curing time any faster, but it makes handling the soap a little bit easier when it's fresh. So we're going to give that a try. I try not to add things to this soap that is just extra and doesn't really need to be there. I try to stay very natural and just simple with what I put in our soaps. But I definitely want to try the sodium lactate. There we go. I'm so excited about these. I got 5 different essential oils, more castor oil, and then the sodium lactate. And these coupons, these little tickets, definitely gonna have to hang on to. I'm gonna have to set this aside. But Lisa is her name. Lisa. She also makes and sells soaps. She has a company called Soaps by Lisa, or Soaps by Elle. And she's like out of Florida as well, so I think that's why the order came to me like super quick too. It's because she's just right up the road basically from us. So thank you, Lisa, so much. I really, again, I appreciate how you package the order, and I just love that we put it in little baggies and with the tape around it, and then just so much extra cushion in there, because we all know that when we ship things, that package is put through the ringer sometimes. So, alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed our Wednesday video today. I hope to see you again on this Saturday video where we begin to make our utility soaps. Alright, so until then, I will see y'all next time. Stay safe, be well, have a great day. Goodbye, y'all.